Welcome. Now you will know about gold, Comex Gold, Manappuram Finance, and whether the stocks swing trading investment setup. Why suddenly swing trading has become swing trading investment setup? At the end of the video, you will come to know. So we will watch for the key levels. Comex Gold, whether it will go $4650 when, and Manappuram Finance, whether it will go to 360 or 305. That we will come to know. Also, Vedanta, recently it has got demerged into some 5 companies. So whether it will go Vedanta 274 or 374, that will come to know. So first disclaimer, this is my ideas. This is not a buy or sell call. So now first we can see Vedanta, the trend, uptrend only. You can see the channel, uptrend channel only. And how you can see weekly, you can see it is going up. The channel is going up only. So now it is very near to the bottom end of the channel. So if it gives a breakdown below the bottom end of the channel, support is there, another multi-week support is there, another multi-week support is there. So this is very good risk reward ratio to enter this stock. The range, swing trading range will be bottom end around 274, top end 367, around 370 you can keep. So around 100 rupees range is there. So if you enter now, you have a chance to get up to 100 rupees profit. If it gives a bounce back, multi-week resistance is there at 301. Again, above there is a multi-week resistance. Stop loss hunting line. What is stop loss hunting line? At the end of the video, you will come to know. Again, there is a resistance and all-time high 360. If it gives a breakout above the top end of the channel, it may go up to 407. So I think it is a very, very good risk-reward ratio. Now, Vedanta, since it has got demerged into some 5-unit separate companies, this Vedanta is a parent company, I believe. They are involved in copper production and zinc production. So metals are bullish right now. So now next we will come to know gold. This is Comex Gold. But Comex Gold, if you see, you can see the trend, the channel, the downtrend only. So trend is down only. So almost it has presently Comex Gold. It has taken support near my multi-month support at 3998. There's a stop loss line also. Also multi-week support line is there around 4078. So it has come near to the very near, not very near, somewhat near to the bottom end of the channel. And from the multi-month support line, it has taken support and bounced back. And under support is there. So these are all supports. Above at the middle end of the channel. This is the middle end of the channel. This is the bottom end of the channel. And this is the top end of the channel. So from here, it is very near to the middle end of the channel. 4222. If it gives a breakout, top end of the channel, that range will be 4651. So around what? 500, really near about $500 up move or range is there. So exactly at the middle end of the channel will act as a resistance. Also, there is a multi-week resistance line at 4,222. Again, there's a stop loss hunting line along with multi-week resistance line where it may hunt your stop losses. Again, there is the 2 stop loss hunting lines are there. So high chances it will go and hit the stop loss hunting levels and again reverse back, reverse down. Again, it will go up like that. So you have to be very careful there. So this is the multi-month or multi-year resistance line. Then if it gives a big candle, big volume breakout, it will go and touch the top end of the channel at around 4651. So overall trend is negative. In that overall trend or in that overall downside channel, it is trying to give a upside breakdown. Only if it gives a big candle, big volume breakout above the middle end of the channel and this multi-week resistance line, then it may turn somewhat bullish within the channel, swing trading channel. So I believe mostly it has to give a breakout and go, since 2 stop loss hunting lines are there, it may go and touch there and touch the reverse resistance multi-month resistance line. Let us see. So now Manappuram. What is Manappuram trend? Manappuram trend, if you see, it is very, very bullish. You can see bottom end of the channel around 300, 305, top end of the channel around 360. So around 55 60 rupees range is there, and you can see it is very bullish. The channel, swing trading channel, is very bullish, uptrend. It is in the uptrend. So now we will see the exact resistance and all. There is a gap line. This is the bottom end of the channel, and this is the gap line. And above, if you see, exactly a stop loss hunting line is there. Above, there's a small resistance is there. Middle end of the channel is there around 330. So if it gives a breakout above the middle end of the channel, which has acted as a resistance, it may go and touch this level, the target, short-term target within the channel I'm talking of, 346.8. So not exactly 346, may along the line I'm saying. It will go like this, like this. And if it gives again a breakout, top end of the channel will be the next target, 360. So it is very, very bullish actually. Manappuram. It is very, very bullish right now. So definitely you can take some entry because it is still below the middle end of the channel only. But better after it gives a breakout, you can take entry above the resistance with big candle, high volume. Otherwise, again, I believe stop loss hunting line, two stop loss hunting line, black lines is there, and there's a support line also. Again, there's a support line. Whenever it comes here, you can take some entry, which will have a good risk reward ratio, but it is generally bullish. So now we are seeing the swing trading setups. What is investment setup that we will know? So whatever the levels, two things. For short term, very short term traders, I have given the resistance and supports, gaps, stop loss hunting line and all. That is for very short term traders, day to day, like that. Within 2 days, 1 week. All the levels are based on supply and demand concept only. You can go through. Big institutions use this, make investment based on the supply and demand concept. You can just go through this. This is the legend multi-week resistance line, like that. I have given an explanation. Slowly you can go through. If you have doubt, you can comment. This is the swing trading investment strategy. When to take entry at swing bottom, when to take exit, what is premium zone, what is discount zone, I have explained. So based on this, you can make a entry or exit. This is purely for education purpose only. So if you really like this video, if it is really helpful, you can subscribe and put a like. But even if you don't like, no problem. But I can definitely say, definitely these levels will be worth to watch. Definitely you come again and check my levels. At that time also you can put like and subscribe also. Because as a retail investor, whatever experience I have got, that I am sharing with you. So you can say this is my investment strategy, which I follow. You have to select. My thing is I have selected many dividend stocks only. Most of the thing in my watch list and portfolio will be dividend stocks only. You can see Manappuram, Vedanta. You can see all are mostly metal stocks and government stocks also. You can see which give a very good dividend. Even though if it falls hard, at least you will get dividend regularly. But occasionally you can see CG Power, HFCL, Satellite Tech. These are all related to power and AI sectors. Some exposure we have to take a risk in other sectors also. Vodafone Idea, like that and all. Idea, you can see Vodafone Idea. Because some diversification as well as sectors which are all bullish also, we have to take some exposure. Hope you like the video. If you like, subscribe. I am Ganesh Babu, GB Investors Zone. Thank you. This is my watch list. Thank you.